हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में। इन टुडेज वीडियो वी विल राइट essay on वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे। World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. The main objective of celebrating this day is to spread awareness about the environment. Environment is very important in our life. Green trees and plants are an integral part of our life. Human life cannot be imagined without nature. Water, land, air, fire, sky. These five words have made human life. The environment only serves to maintain balance in the climate. Rather, it provides all the things necessary for life. We get clean air from the environment. We breathe every moment with such air, water except for which we cannot live is all part of environment. Environment is helpful in the development of human beings and animals. Humans are also an important part of the environment, being a component of environment. We should also promote the environment. Global warming is the most prominent of the human impacts on the environment. Today, humans have polluted the environment in the name of development and industrialization. Today, the problem of pollution has taken a serious form. Preserving the environment is very important for the bright future of human life. For this, we should properly dispose of the contaminants and smoke coming out of the industries. For this, we should properly dispose of the contaminants and smoke coming out of the industries. Special attention should be paid to the cleanliness of the environment. More and more trees should be planted indiscriminate falling of trees should be stopped. Vehicles should be used only in times of extreme need. The environment takes care of our health like a mother and also provide us peace and happiness mentally. Environment is an integral part of human life. That is, we are from the environment. That is why we should always be ready to protect the environment. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर।